This is Kathy, a typically efficient and hard-working Keypunch operator. The Keypunch installation, an IBM System 360, and Kathy make a pretty indispensable team. There is, however, an important new addition available to this team. IBM will show you, the System 360 user, how increased throughput and greater versatility can be achieved with the installation of IBM 50 magnetic data inscribers. The magnetic data inscriber is designed to minimize the time lag in data entry by dramatically increasing the speed of getting data to the computer. IBM had the operator in mind too when designing the magnetic data inscriber, by making it not only attractive, but with minimum orientation, easy to operate. The characteristic difference of the data inscriber is that it does not use punched cards. Data is inscribed directly on magnetic tape in System 360 code. Each cartridge holds 100 feet of magnetic tape and has a capacity of 23,000 characters, permitting 2 to 3 hours of continuous keying with a single cartridge. The magnetic data inscriber allows System 360 customers to achieve an average throughput gain estimated at approximately 25% over card punches. The keyboard on the inscriber offers as a standard feature either 64 or 48 character set usage under switch control. 8 alternate programs are standard, with the program level selected by the operator seen through the window on the console. The IBM 50 program card, mounted on a program drum, controls the operation of the inscriber. With the program drum in place, the operator now loads the tape cartridge. The magnetic tape cartridge is inserted on the spindle. It is removed here and reinserted to demonstrate ease of handling. The on-off switch is conveniently located on the console. When the button designated Write is depressed, the machine is put in the inscribing mode and the tape is threaded automatically. To select the program level desired, the Program Select key is depressed first. Then, one of 8 digit keys corresponding to the program desired is depressed, automatically rotating the program drum to the selected level. Now the IBM 50 is ready for keying. One feature of the data inscriber of particular interest to the operator is the quiet operation of keying data. Keying error suspected? Operators sensed errors can be checked quickly. To change from inscribe mode to read mode, depress the read button. Indicator lights on the character display show the last character keyed, confirming whether a keying error has been made. In this case, the digit 2 is displayed. Depress the button designated Write to return to the inscribe mode. When an error is suspected, it normally takes less time for the operator to rekey the field rather than check the suspected keying error. This is done by depressing the field backspace key, automatically returning the tape to the beginning of that field. The data is then rekeyed. Other keyboard features, both useful and time-saving, are the record backspace key, which automatically returns the tape to the first character of the record, and the automatic left 0 function, a standard feature of the IBM 50. Automatic machine functions, duplicating and skipping, operate at 100 characters per second. When data inscribing is completed and the tape is ready for verification, the rewind button is depressed. This automatically records an end of data mark on the tape prior to rewinding. If additional recording is desired on the tape, the search button is depressed, automatically moving the tape to the end of data mark, which indicates the end of previously recorded data. Verification is a standard feature of the IBM 50. However, verifying is normally done by a different operator. To put the inscriber in the verify mode, the verify button is depressed, automatically threading the tape and selecting the program level. The verifying procedure is similar to that of card verification. The same program card may be used for verifying and inscribing. The operator verifies data previously recorded and also corrects errors. To verify corrected data, the operator must rekey only the data in the corrected field. Every verified record has a special verification code automatically recorded by the IBM 50. When the end of data mark is reached, it signals that the last record has been verified. With verification completed, the tape cartridge is sent to the computer room for processing. The System 360 checks each tape for the presence of the verification code. The tape cartridge reader, the IBM 2495, reads this data into the computer at 900 characters per second. The feed station of the reader can hold up to 12 cartridges. As cartridges are read, others may be added without interrupting the operation of the equipment. Operating buttons and lights are located conveniently. By depressing the Start button, the tape reading process begins. The lead cartridge drops into read position. It is then automatically read, rewound, and stacked in approximately 60 seconds. A partially inscribed cartridge requires less time. Cartridges may be removed from the stacker without interrupting the reading process. These cartridges are reusable to inscribe new data. The IBM 2495 tape cartridge reader is attached to the multiplexer channel of System 360. The 2495 can also read tapes prepared on the IBM Magnetic Tape Selectric Typewriter, the MTST. All of this means that the tape cartridge reader provides added versatility for System 360 customers. Together, the tape cartridge reader and the magnetic data inscriber are significant examples of IBM's improved data handling techniques, a commitment to provide management with a new dimension of service and efficiency in data entry. The IBM 50, working with the 2495, a new way to process information.